So if I were asked for advice, I would say find a balance between going deeply and broadly into the traditions of the past. Find out how you can master the tools that you need to really understand as best as you can from the perspective that you have of what was. And if you're a creative artist, then develop that fluency and then find your own ways to express it. So that means, an analogy is always saying, like, learn the language of Yiddish. Actually, really learn the language of Yiddish. Learn the musical, if you're a musician, learn the musical language of Yiddish song or klezmer music or zemiros or nigunim or whatever, and whatever you're interested in. All of them or one of them or whatever. Really learn that and constantly be trying to deepen and broaden your understanding of what the various traditions are. That's really vital. Learn the language of what you're working with. Learn the rudiments. Painters learn to, they copy Rembrandt, they copy Da Vinci, it's like, that's really important. But at the same time, be who you are as a 21st century person. It's not an easy thing to do. It's not an easy thing to make a living doing either, but it's a really important thing to do.